Hello, my name is Majid, a cloud engineer from Nokia. In this today presentation, I will give you some explanation and information about the Nokia Data Marketplace platform, its features, and then we will have a short demo. So we will start about the explanation and about later on I will tell you about the benefit of Nokia Data Marketplace for the SMEs, and then we will have a short demo and some further information. Nokia Data Marketplace, which we will call NDM, is a decentralized, blockchain-powered data marketplace for secure and automated monetization, processing, and exchange of IoT sensors and digital asset data with technical and policy-based data verification. It's a platform which is based on Hyperledger Fabric as its core, which will provide a private-based blockchain framework in order to provide a secure platform for exchanging data via the Nokia Data Marketplace. As it's very flexible, you can integrate any type of data sources to Nokia Data Marketplace, so it can be monetized and exchanged via Nokia Data Marketplace. It can be a static data or it can be a stream data. For the SMEs, there are three main benefits if they utilize Nokia Data Marketplace. First of all, it will give them a secure data exchange platform to be trusted, and they can exchange the data assets and sell their data asset via this Nokia Data Marketplace. The second importance of the Nokia Data Marketplace for the SME is the possibility of monetization of the data assets. So the SMEs, which they have any digital data asset, they can use the Nokia Data Marketplace to monetize their data, which otherwise would be a difficult task. There are also AI and machine learning additional functionalities which can be enabled on the Nokia Data Marketplace, so it will enable the SMEs to provide some additional insights on their data without the need to have their own computational power. There are three main objects within this scenario. First of all is the Nokia Data Marketplace, which is the centralized exchange platform, and the Nokia Data Marketplace platform is a dedicated private deployment for any SMEs or a consortium of the SMEs. Nokia will deploy a dedicated Nokia Data Marketplace and onboard only the authorized users to use that Nokia Data Marketplace instance. Any onboarded user can have two roles, seller or buyer, or both. So any users can be enabled for these functionalities. As in Nokia Data Marketplace, we have a blockchain. There is a smart contract functionality, which the revenue can be shared also among possible users, and everything will be recorded on the blockchain and can be accessed for all the consortiums which are participating in this Nokia Data Marketplace, that dedicated instance. A case study example which has been done in Espoo, Finland, was a smart city project, and in this case study we have integrated different IoT sensors for the weather and traffic data to a centralized Nokia Data Marketplace, and those data then could have been accessed by research institute for their research purposes to enable further improvement on the efficiency of the traffic and also weather information for the related stakeholders. Now we will have a short demo of the Nokia Data Marketplace. Here is the landing page of the Nokia Data Marketplace. As I said, there will be a dedicated instance for any SME or a consortium of the SMEs, and the users will be onboarded and can be logged in via the username and password. There's a possibility to integrate to any third-party authentication instance and protocol. So I logged into the instance. I will give you a very short demo just for the data exchange scenario. I'm now logging in as a seller, and then I go to the marketplace and I can add my data here as a product. Now, as a seller, if you want to add a new product, you have to fill in all the related information here in this window. The name of the data product, some features which can be selected here, the price of the data, the URL to the data, because you don't need to upload the data to the Nokia Data Marketplace. It will stays on the data source, and then some URL which contain the terms and condition for the data set and a description for your data set. And then you will add it to the Nokia Data Marketplace platform. Now the data product has been added successfully. I will log in as a buyer separately. Here, if I go now to the marketplace and then switch myself to a buyer, I can see that the products which has been added, it's been available for me to buy. I can see the details of the data products, and then I can buy it. Then I can define how long I need to access the data, and then I can see the terms and condition, and then I agree to the product and terms and condition, and then click buy, so to get access to that data for 1 hour. Then if I come to the my orders, I can see the data has been added to the data which I'm available and access. There's also the expiry date and hour, which by this time I have access to this data. And then I click on access data. Again, I need to agree with the terms and condition, and then I open the link. When I open this link, the Nokia Data Marketplace platform will hash the URL, and there will be an access towards that dataset through the Nokia Data Marketplace data exchange and proxy. So now I can see the data, which is kind of like a text-based news. This is just a simple data transfer between a buyer and a seller. Thank you so much.